I welcome everyone. Thank you so much for watching us. Dear viewer, I kindly ask you to give this video your thumbs up in advance. Your thumbs up is essential to spread the channel. GURU.Markets. Now we will compare with you the current fundamental indicators of the organization Candel Therapeutics Inc., ticker CADL. This review was created using information that was current as of May 17, 2024. According to classification GURU.Markets company Candel Therapeutics Inc. belongs to the subcategory Cancer Cure. 25 companies take part in the assessment, and this is very representative. We start with general information about the company. If you're interested, you can pause the video. You can look at each parameter of the corporation under study more carefully. You can go to the database with the ticker structure using the link in the pinned comment. We kindly ask you to share the link to the video with your friends. Well, friends, we are finally starting. Market capitalization of the organization Candel Therapeutics Inc. valued at $0.38 billion. And the market capitalization of the subcategory is $7 billion. Candel Therapeutics Inc. has a share of 5.555% and is one of the medium-sized companies in the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is estimated at $0.01 billion. The subcategory's balance sheet capitalization is $3 billion. Candel Therapeutics Inc. accounts for a share of 0.188%. Comparing the occupied shares of stock exchange and balance sheet capitalization, we will see the following. Occupied share Candel Therapeutics Inc. in the subcategory in case of market value assessment is 5.555%. The balance sheet capitalization is 0.188%. This is 97% less than the share of market value. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance capitalization in the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. Overall company assessment Candel Therapeutics Inc. will be presented towards the end of the video. Please look at the logic of the study in full. The analyzed company's debt obligations amount to $0.021 billion. Debt-to-book capitalization is 210% of the company's capital. Result on the company's debt obligations, very bad, -2 points. The balance of the company's market value to profit is 0. Average for subcategory 0. Assessment of the company's stock market value to profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory. Very bad, -2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was -$37 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are unknown. And this is extremely negative for the company's price. Assessment of projected future profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. The company's price-to-revenue balance is 0. The average for the subcategory is 10.2, which is significantly worse than in the subcategory. Assessment of the market price-to-revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $0 million. Forward revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. And this is extremely negative for the company's price. An assessment of the projected future sales volume indicator in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. The margin is 0%, with the average in the subcategory -198.1%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 198.1%. Profitability assessment in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Tolerable, -0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 1.151%. This is 383% less than the share of market capitalization. And this shows the imbalance in the company's stock market value. Candel Therapeutics Inc., probably towards revaluation. The amount of capital per company employee is $8,993,000. Whereas for the subcategory $1,864,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 382.5%. Estimation of the volume of market capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Tolerable, 0 points. The amount of profit per individual employee of the company is $0,000. With the average for the subcategory -$361.8 thousand. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is $362,000. Estimated profit per individual employee compared to subcategory performance. Tolerable, -0.5 points. The sales volume per individual employee of the company is $0,000. By subcategory $183,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 100%. Estimation of the volume of revenue per company employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Tolerable, -0.5 points. Shares for sale account for 6.2%, with a subcategory average of 5.2%. This is a short squeeze risk indicator. Technical indicator RSI, 14, shows a level of 72% for the company Candel Therapeutics Inc. For the subcategory, this level is 47%. Potentially, the shares of the subcategory are valued lower than the company's Candel Therapeutics Inc. Comparing the movement of a company's stock price Candel Therapeutics Inc. and subcategory companies. We see that over the past 12 months the company's shares Candel Therapeutics Inc. showed dynamics of 703.8%. Against price dynamics in the subcategory -6.1%. This definitely doesn't mean anything, but it is necessary to keep this fact in mind. Overall result. -9.5 out of 10 points. Average result for the subcategory. -4.6 points. If you look very broadly, within the stock market in general, we see that the average score for the entire stock market in total is 0.3 points. Against a score of -9.5 points for Candel Therapeutics Inc. Let's go to the order table. It is available to you. The link is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions made by the information and reference system GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is absolutely free and open. Link in pinned comment. Based on the analysis of the company's securities Candel Therapeutics Inc. GURU.Markets. Open a deal because Candel Therapeutics Inc. This is the most overvalued company in the subcategory. We need to remind you that earlier April 21, 2024, an order was published, ticker AUTL. Information and Reference Assessment System GURU. Markets, the following decision is made on this order. Close the deal. The result is a profit of 10%. Thank you very much to the public for watching this video and for using the information system from GURU.Markets. You are the best audience in the world.